Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create unhackable password for your account. So for this, I'm going to open my notepad. So if you want to create a strong password, then you need to pass some parameters for your password. The first parameter is your length. So you need at least 12 to 60 character for your password, and then you can mix it up this combination for upper class, lower class, and some symbol also. This type of symbol you can use for your password to create a strong password. And then you need to avoid some pattern for your password. So which type of pattern you need to avoid? The similar type of number, you can see in here, the 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the keyboard pattern also, QWERT. You need to avoid this type of pattern also. So hacker can easily guess your password. You need to avoid this. And for the other parameter, you need one password for your one account. If you have a Facebook account or YouTube account or Gmail account, you need to build a password for one password in one account. Then you need to avoid your personal information. What is actually your personal information? It's your birthday, name, or pet name. That's your personal information. You need to avoid this type of personal information for your password. You can also use passphrase like this: correct horse battery staple, like this one. You can use this type of sentence for a password. You can also use built-in password generator for your password, and you can sometime also you can use autofill, which one website provide for your account. You can also this for your password. So if you follow all of this, then you need to enable your two-step verification and other type of security for your account. I already made a video about how you can create two-step verification for your Google account. You can also check this. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.